So, we are still trying to figure out if a relationship is a function. So number one says use the data below to complete parts A and B. So it says create a relation map. So I'm gonna draw me a little oval. Give yourself some space, and then I'm gonna do another oval. Or circle, whatever you guys wanna draw. They're normally in ovals. Is this my input or output? Input, is that my X or the Y? So I'm gonna label this oval, input numbers, X. This is my output, so I'm gonna put output, Y. Normally when you see a relation map, they don't have those labels, but since I'm teaching you about them, I want you to label them so you know what numbers they are. So in this ordered pair, the 2 is my X, my input, so I'm gonna put 2 in my input, and when 2 is my input, 4 is the output. So over here, I'm gonna put 4. Then I'm gonna draw an arrow from 2 to 4, saying this, when my 2 is my input, 4 is my output. That's what it means. For this ordered pair, what is my input? 6, so I'm gonna write down 6. And when 6 is my input, what is the output? 8, so I'm gonna put 8. And I'm gonna draw an arrow to it. Which one is the 11, is it my input or output? Input, so I'm gonna do 11 here. And then when 11 is my input, -10 is the output. So over here, I'm gonna put -10, draw that arrow to it. Which one is my input? -5. What is my output? 8. Alright, this is what I saw yesterday from a few of you. You just drew the 8 and drew another arrow. Don't I already have 8 listed as an output? So you would not rewrite the 8 here. You would just write, or take your arrow and draw it to the 8 that's already there. Do not have any of the numbers here repeat, and don't have any of these repeat. That's why you use the arrows. Does the relationship represent a function?
No.
How many numbers does the 2.2? How many numbers does the 6.2? How many numbers does the X, or the 11.2? How many numbers does the -5.2? So does each input only point to one output? Function, yes or no? Function, because each input, X, has only one output, Y. Go ahead and make sure you have that sentence written down. Go ahead, me too. Now,